Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I do know what's in here. I'm very excited about what's in here. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'll make sure it's linked right down in the description. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon down there as well, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Who sent this big box? This was actually sent by Crane's Cutlery. If you've never checked out Crane's Cutlery, don't worry, I've got a link right down in the description for your convenience. Check them out. But yeah, you're about to see something pretty cool here. I am very much enjoying the new unboxing tool. That just works like a charm. Alright, we're almost here. There are multiple items in this box as far as I know, so buckle up. One sec here, just getting that back. Okay, so oh boy, here we go. A huge sort of, there we go. 1, 2 3 and 4. Awesome. Yeah, we're going to get into all of those. Here, of course, is Crane's Cutlery, cranescutlery.com. Little sticker there. Pretty sweet. Thank you very much. All right, let's make sure we got it all out of there. Awesome. Tons of packing material. I appreciate that. I will reuse it. Let's open one of these up. Well, we're going to open all of them. But so these are the Texas Trapper Jungle Fat Carbon and Damasteel. So these are Crane's Cutlery exclusives, and as you might have guessed, these are super duper spicy versions of the standard versions of these. I looked at we gotta keep going here with the wrap. I'm gonna do my best to not put any marks on that because this is clearly like brand spanking new. Oh boy. Oh man. Look at that pattern. That is gorgeous. Oh god. Yeah. This is the Pena X series. Production Penas. Oh, it's just beautifully smooth action. Yeah. Boy. Ooh, I'm a big fan of the bolster lock and the front flipper there. Very cool sort of combo. Modern and traditional. This is Jungle Fat Carbon. I'm sure that there are people out there who love this color combination. Not my favorite color combination, but we've got more than one option here. So what do we have on this one? Fat Carbon. This is going to be, I think, a plain one, which would probably be my preference. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get this out. Once again, just make a little cut. That scalpel's a lot sharper than my old one, so that's made a little bit easier. Oh, yeah, that is beautiful. Look at there. Some purple in there. Ooh. I wonder if Fat Carbon had some purple left over from the batch they did for Knife Nuts podcast. Very nice. I love this Damasteel pattern. I don't know what this is. Really, really gorgeous. For anybody who doesn't know, Damasteel is not Damascus. It is a type of Damascus, but it is proprietary to the Damasteel company. PMC 27 and RWL 34, which are two powder form steels, are pattern welded into this very, very beautiful final product, and it is actually performance oriented. Performing something like CPM 154, which in my opinion is one of the best compositions available. Boy, these are smooth. So yeah, Damasteel will actually perform. It's not just meant to be pretty, which is, you know, that's where the brain goes. People who don't know better, they see stuff like this and they go, neat, but that's just jewelry. Wrong. This is absolutely 100% meant to be used and very, very capable. These are beautiful. That's definitely my favorite so far. Let's go ahead and get into this one. What we have here, oh, blue fat carbon fiber. Yes. Obviously, this is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions with all this stuff. I will review these knives. I will give them a full comprehensive review a few weeks down the road, but yeah, today we're just going to be taking a look here. Oh man, I do like the blue one as well. I think fat carbon in blue absolutely looks beautiful. I think a lot of people are really going to like that. Oh yeah, these are so nice. These are just hanging out at Crane's Cutlery right now. That's where I got my Riat Jack, the one in Mokatai, the 1.5. They do these interesting, like, exotic exclusives of really popular models, and these are the only types. Like, this is an interesting type of exclusive. Usually it's like, you know, you get the Spyderco PM2, but it's in orange and whatever steel, right? This is a little bit more interesting, I think. And just, you know, an unexpected model, but beautiful outcome. So there we go. And then finally, what do we have here? Oh, red cat fat. Red cat fat is what came out of my mouth. Red fat carbon. Probably have kind of a lava, yeah, kind of a magma look to it. This is also nice looking. Okay. Get that open there. No real other way to do that. Yeah, that does look nice. Oh, yeah. These are freaking gorgeous, man. I just absolutely love that pattern. That is so cool. I know you guys are wondering, like, do you get to keep all that? No. These are going back to Crane's Cutlery. I do not get to keep these, right? Take really good care of them, but they definitely are going to go back to Crane's Cutlery. I just wanted to check them out. And I had such a good experience when I bought my Jack 1.5. We got to talking, and they said, do you want to check anything else out? And yeah, these were part of that conversation. Beautiful. These are masterfully done, too, by the way. God, those are sharp. Razor sharp. These are absolutely gorgeous. The one in purple and black right here is definitely my favorite. That one right there. But I got to say, I also really like the red and blue. Not so much a fan of the jungle, but, you know, I'm sure that there's somebody out there who would really appreciate that. So, yeah, you can check these out at Crane's Cutlery. I would urge you to do so. And while you're there, check out and see what else they've got, because they have a lot of super cool exclusives. That's going to be pretty much it for the unboxing and first impressions today, guys. Thank you so much to Crane's Cutlery for loaning these to me for review. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.